Project Betty stands for Bringing Education and Technology to You. So we're taking our mobile simulation team and we're going to the units to provide simulations to any staff member who's willing to participate. So whether that's nurses, whether it's PSWs or residents or clerks, we are encouraged to have them come and participate during our sessions.
We recognize that we've had to hire a lot of nurses in the past few years, and with COVID, we had to switch from in-person training to virtual training. So a lot of them didn't get access to the skills development and hands-on skills that they had previously.
What's been helpful with this project is that we've been able to bridge the gap in education for those learners who went through school during the pandemic.
The training is set up to be about 15 minutes to 30 minutes in duration. So when we go out to the units, the staff are able to just step away from their work, do the training, and then go back to their work without us having to bring in a staff member to cover them.
And then being able to practice walking through a scenario with us before they actually have to carry this skillet with a patient, I think has been an invaluable experience for them as well. I've been very happy to see as well that both leaders and clinical educators have been participating during the sessions. So that has not only encouraged their staff to come and participate during our session, but it just solidifies really how important this education is for LHSC.
This Employment Ontario program is funded in part by the Government of Canada and the Government of Ontario.